Hi, I'm Brianna.
And I'm Sarah.
And in this video, we'll be explaining the reflex arc and why reflexes support survival and homeostasis. The action of a reflex starts with a receptor, which detects a stimulus from the senses of your body. Then the signal will travel through a sensory or afferent neuron to get to the integration, also known as ENS spinal cord/brain, which processes the signal within the spinal cord. A response signal leaves through a motor efferent neuron to an effector, which is a muscle or gland that produces you to do the response. Because the receptor detects a stimulus, the afferent sensory neuron sends a signal to the central nervous system. The central nervous system processes it quickly so that the efferent neuron reacts to the effector, which causes a response to happen.
This would be a somatic reflex because his brain reacts to the conflict at hand and sends signals to his body to respond by dodging and fighting back. This would also be a spinal reflex because it is processed in the spinal cord, which would make his reaction faster and more protective than a cranial reaction. If Batman's eyes, which are the reactors, were damaged or didn't work, Batman wouldn't have dodged Joker's card attack because he wouldn't be able to see it, and his brain wouldn't be able to send signals to his body to dodge.
Now we'll give you an example of a simple reflex test. When I shine this light in her eye, she automatically squints like this. Because this shows me her reflex arc is working normally because her squinting her eye supports homeostasis because when you squint, you reduce the amount of light that goes into your eye, which stops strain from your eye.